Hi, this is Gallagher Fluid Seals, and today we are going to talk about a unique seal offering from Gallagher Fluid Seals called the ZAVA Seal Ring. The ZAVA Seal Ring is a split O-ring or V-ring with a patented quick lock solution that locks in minutes. Once the rubber ring is locked in place using the quick connect coupling, it is impossible to separate. The quick lock consists of a sleeve and a pin, which is locked by pushing the pin into the sleeve and pressing it together. It is made of acid-proof stainless steel SS2343. One of the largest benefits of the ZAVA ring is the ease of installation. The ring is very easy to mount without vulcanizing, which reduces the machinery downtime dramatically, and therefore reduces costly manufacturing stoppage and enables minimum disturbance to production. With the ZAVA Seal Ring, you can reduce the time spent on swapping seals by up to 90%. ZAVA Seal Rings are made in different lengths and cross sections and are also available in several different types of materials and profiles. They are made to size and come ready to install. However, you can choose between several different dimensions. That means, as a customer, you can decide the right length for your application, and ZAVA can assemble the length you specify. The ZAVA O-Ring is stocked in NBR and AFLAS for a variety of common cross sections. NBR stock can be readily found in 1/2 inch diameter, 5/8 inch diameter, 3/4 inch diameter, and 1 inch diameter. AFLAS is readily available in 5/8 inch diameter, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch diameter. The ZAVA Seal V-Ring is also readily available in NBR and AFLAS with a variety of sizes, as you can see here. Originally created for equipment at a pulp and paper mill, this seal has been perfected and is now available worldwide for nearly any industry. Common equipment where you can find the ZAVA Split O-Ring or ZAVA V-Ring are spindles, pillow blocks, electric motors, pumps, conveyors, gearboxes, rolling mills, agitators, slurries, repulpers, pressers, filters, and washers. The ZAVA Seal Ring is the only genuine high-performance split O-ring and V-ring on the market. So, what are you waiting for? If your equipment downtime from your seal maintenance exceeds just a few minutes, then you need to check out the ZAVA Seal Ring. Contact Gallagher Fluid Seals today to see if this is the right solution for your application or equipment. Thank you.